we've come here in Greece to do paragliding. It's a beautiful place, a lot of scope for paragliding and para sports. Today we flew from Thapa and we landed in Dawa helipad. I couldn't due to strong winds and stuff, but it has a lot of scope for para sports, and we really hope that we get to do more of this stuff here in Greece.
Good, Alisha, amazing.
मैं आज गुरेज में हूँ, तो आज मैंने गुरेज से फ़्लाइंग की, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है और ये चाहती हूँ कि यहाँ पे भी पैराग्लाइडिंग स्टार्ट हो ताकि यहाँ के लोकल